So I'm gonna do some remote rigging here. I got a pulley on a 100-foot dead eye sling that I made, and in order to protect the sling, I've got it run through one of these leather Cambium sabers, and this one is for rigging, and they're pretty easy to get out. I can install them from the ground because this angle makes it easier. I cut that. If I was right here, I set this one by hand, but these can be set from the ground. And then I've got the anchor leg going all the way down. I've got it locked off on a porta wrap. And that way we can rig out this hickory here. And then I don't have to come back up after the rigging. Have a great day.